Hey, MattyB, man. Thanks for helping me move in.
Hey, bruh. Anything to help out my seed.
Hey, Matty. How's the music been going?
Bruh, the music career is going up.
Hey!
Woo! Hey! Woo, woo, woo! Wait, Dad, pipe it up. Woo! So how's Shoddy?
You talk about my squeeze baby Ariel? She my little boo thing.
Yeah, so what's the deal?
Hey man, I got so much cash, that's why I bought this crib. But Shoddy be trying to cuff.
Hey, bruh, Shoddy's switching lanes.
Ooh!
New iPhone 12, life ain't the same.
Ooh!
She need to hit the weight room, get some gains.
Ooh!
Trying to keep it real, but she keep playing games. No homo. Hey bro, that dancing was lit. We should make a TikTok.
Let's get it. Holy moly donut shop?
Nah.
Then what's another fire song? Trying to hit him with a renegade?
Nah, bruh. The most fire song of 2020. Number 1 on the top 100.
That song?
Mm-hmm. That song.
Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, chicken and macaroni, chillin' with my homies. Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, chicken and macaroni, chillin' with my homies.
That's pretty lit, Matty.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on, I got something to show you.
Bet.
Hey, Matty.
Yeah?
So I got this drip box, straight sent from Lil Yachty. You already know, I gotta have the drippiest of the drip for my MadCon concert. You already know I'm gonna have so much, I'm not even gonna be able to keep track, honestly, at this point.
Dude, that's so cash. Tell me more about it.
You already know, MattyB, my fans going crazy when they see 700 kilograms of drip in this box. Matter of fact, sweatshirt, top 100 on Spotify, you already know.
Yeah,
We going up,
yeah.
We going up, baby. Getting all that cash.
Oh, Agent J, what's the moves? Bro, concert in Vegas? That's like the 3rd time. Oh, 3.5 mil? And autographs? 100 per autograph? Bet. Yeah, Jacob, I'd love to hang, but like, you know, me and the homies, we got a private show in Vegas, and I gotta hit my private jet in about an hour, so I'd love to hang, but I gotta hit the sack.
It's all good, man. I understand, you know, with all the drip. Gotta respect that, you know?
See you, bro. Alright, see you, bro. Ah.
See you. Oh, now that he's gone. Man, I wish I could learn how to play this someday. My producers can put it in for me anyway. When you go to sleep at night and you wake up in the morning and you walk the halls, girl, you know you wanna flown it. No, he did not. What? Oh, where'd it? What?
Yeah. Drip. Brand new drip, new drip, new drip. They're gonna love it for the new concert.
Matty.
Guys, look at this bag. Oh yeah, sick. Gotta upload that to MySpace.
Hey Matty, did you take my chain?
Man, I got too much racks to worry about that.
Then what you wearing around your neck?
Oh, this chain? Oh, no, right when I left, I went to JCPenney's. They had a 1% off sale for this chain. Decided to cop me some new drip, hashtag gang for life.
I mean, are you sure? It looks pretty similar.
Oh, bro, this is a new chain pattern. You don't gotta worry about it. All right, there's people coming. I gotta dip. All right, see ya.
Guess I gotta post on my story now. What's up, guys? Jacob here. Just wanted to say you guys are beautiful, and somebody stole one of my chains today. Pretty upset about that. So if you guys want to tell me who it is, come to your house and murder you. I'm just cheesing. But anyway, if you guys actually know where it is, Please slide up. I'll do anything. Please, just do it. I love you guys.
Shawty switching lanes. iPhone 12, life ain't the same. You need to hit the weight room, get some gains. Just keep her real, but she keep playing. Sneaking up on me like a mouse. Just got you evicted from your house. Ooh, all these chains just copped your spouse. Ooh,
Yes, sir!
oh,
Yes,
hey!
sir!
Jacob, what's good in the hood?
You good? You doing good? What you got going on here?
Bro, I'm just producing my my 6th song for my new album, Changes Believe in You 17.gov.
Hey, that's pretty lit.
This song right here, it's called Transformations. It's pretty fire.
I want to get a feature.
Hey, Matty. So how's the chain?
The chain is fire.
Didn't you cop it at the JCPenney's?
Yeah, 1% off. How could I not?
You do realize the JCPenney at the mall closed down 3 months ago, right?
Oh, I meant to say Macy's, because, you know, JCPenney is Macy's. They're right next to each other, you know. Like, I get them confused sometimes. Out, you little twat.
Wait!
What?
Timer pick. Well, that's a good timer pick.
Yeah. Curse you, Jacob!
I will kill you. Give me back the chain.
Okay.
Thank you. This is what you get, dude.
What are you doing? Stop! Stop!
I gotta tell everybody that you took my chain. And just because you did that, you're cleaning this up. I'm out of here, MattyB. I'm out of here.
I guess he does have the drip. He got that drip box.